Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode 22. Let's go to the charts. Here we are. You can see in the current live trade panel, all trades have closed. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. Let me show you the account history, and we'll show you how we recovered the GBP CHF, the last random trade. We recovered that into a really nice profit. If I go to the account history here, you'll note from the last episode that the original trade was a buy at 1 or 0.10. We then did a sell, which is a hedge to stop the margin from bleeding off at 0.1. So it was an equal buy and sell. And then I did a really aggressive, based off of some really short basic analysis, I did an aggressive 1.0 buy trade. That finally went into profit at $596. If you do the math with the other two trades that were in the negative, I have a $415.38 profit on this trade. That's zero net losses now. Zero net losses on this account. A total of $986.88 profit so far. Now let's go back to the live trade terminal and enter our next random trade. I'm going to copy my list of 28 currency pairs plus US 30, buy and sell for each one. We'll go to random.org, go to the list randomizer, paste into the box, hit randomize, and our very next random trade is going to be GBP AUD buy. GBP AUD buy, let's go to the charts. So I need to pull up GBP AUD. Here it is. I'll drag it to the live chart, and we said we're going to do a buy. I need to change my lot size to 0.10, and I'll hit buy. So we are now in a random trade. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this currency pair is doing. We did a random buy zero analysis. We are on the 15-minute chart, and one thing I can tell you that if potentially, this isn't always true, but just potentially, if the RSI, which I have set at 4 here, is at the bottom, that means this could be a potential good bounce trade to the buy side. I'm going to go ahead and drag a take profit up to the average area here and about the middle of the previous prices. It's not going to be very much profit. Says $14.22. I'll leave it there and let's just see what happens. I'm going to jump up to the higher time frame and see what the higher time frame bias is. Higher time frame bias is going down, so we're in a buy and the price is ultimately on the higher time frame going down. However, back to the 15-minute, this just may be a bounce potential profit trade. We will see. I want to emphasize here, if you're new to this trading series, I am randomly and have always randomly entered a trade every episode, and we are in a total net profit, zero losses, zero net losses, because obviously if the trade goes in my direction, I take profit. If it doesn't, I recover into profit, just like you saw at the beginning of this episode, a simple hedge and then a recovery trade at a very nice profit. Again, $415.38 on that last trade. So we will let this trade play out, and I will see you in the next episode.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit forexbits.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.